How to play YouTube music in background on Android for free. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to show you how you can play YouTube music in the background on your Android phone for free. So let's just get started and dive right into the video. So first of all, let's usually use the direct YouTube in your mobile browser. Just head over to the preferred mobile browser. This is the easiest ways you can get YouTube music to play in the background for free. So you can head over to youtube.com. Just type in youtube.com and open up YouTube. And after that, you can start playing the music. But before that, what you're going to do is tap on the three dots at the side at the bottom right corner or any of the side you're going to look up for the three dot option in your screen. After that, you're going to go ahead and turn on the desktop side. So once the page reloads in desktop mode, the music will continue playing even if you minimize your browser or lock your phone. And here's the best part of what it is when you lock your screen, the music control will appear in your notification shade and you can easily pause, play or skip tracks directly from there without having to open up the browser again. And that is it. That is one of the most easiest way you can apply in order to watch the YouTube music or listen to the music of the YouTube for free in the background in your Android device. So if this video was helpful, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tips. And let me know in the comments about what's your go-to playlist on YouTube. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.